There are foods you could eat that will make your hair grow fast. So in this video, I'll be telling you. Why interrupting my video? In this video, I'll be telling you 32 foods about these foods that you can get them any part of the world. So anywhere you are, you can get these foods. So hang in there, watch this video, go get your pen, your book, your paper, whatever you have. Let's get into the video. I love your hair. It's not anybody's hair, it's your hair. I have to tell you, it's not about all the concussions you're applying on your hair. It's not about all the mixtures, all those stuff you keep on your hair that is really going to help your hair grow. It's also about your inside. I see people that like are so busy into their hair and their hair is like past their butt length, and they use vitamins, they take drugs to grow their natural hair. But I'm not into that. I don't take drugs. My hair is naturally grown by eating these natural foods that I'm going to mention. So before I get into the video, shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much once again. If you subscribe to this channel, and if you're not subscribed, what? Jimmy, what? Like, why don't you subscribe to my subscribe now? Subscribe. So I really want you guys to share this video if you really found this useful, because I took efforts making this video. Like, it kept in so much effort making this video. So before I get into the video again, I should tell you about my hair brand. Sorry, I'm looking down because of my stuff. So I should tell you guys about my hair brand. What's my hair brand? My hair brand, the place hair care.
You will move out?
No, my hair
You
brand.
will move out of this house.
My hair brand, the place hair care. You guys, I said this last video, so you guys should read more about my hair brand. I don't want to bore you, so it's in the description box. So, and I don't have a link, so I'll link the address of the Instagram page here, I guess. So check it, read it, whatever. All the foods I'm going to mention, I'm not going to explain so deep because I don't want the video to be too long. I don't want it to be too long. All of them contain at least calcium, unsaturated fats, vitamin A, vitamin B, different types of vitamin B, biotin, folate, vitamin E. Yep, vitamin E. So I need, like I said, get your pen, your book, your paper. Good. Fruits. Avocado. Oh my god, this is my star food. Like, I love avocados. If you love avocados, leave it in the comment section. So avocados are good for hair growth. Even if you use avocado oils, if you use as a face mask, and it's so healthy, so good. You can use for any food. Grapes are also good for hair growth. Very, very good. I'm not a fan of grapes, so if you like grapes, you can. Watermelon. Oh my god, I hate watermelon. Watermelon. You don't hate it like I do. I forced myself to eat watermelon. Practically, I did not get to eat it because I hate it. I forced myself. I could not eat it. I still had to vomit. But I love watermelon sweet juice. I hate watermelon. Back to the video. So pineapples. Eat pineapples. I love pineapples. Although it makes my taste, my breath. So eat pineapples. They are good for hair growth. Apples are healthy, very, very healthy, but I don't like apples. I just eat them because of my parents do, and I got to, because they are healthy and I have to be healthy. Okay, papaya is very good for hair growth. I eat papaya a lot. In short, in my house we have a bunch of papaya trees, so I eat papaya a lot. And in Nigeria, where I come from, we call it pawpaw. Like, pawpaw is a kind of food. Orange is very good, and I love oranges. If you like oranges, comment down. So oranges are good for hair growth with folic acid and citric acid, whatever. I'm not a science student. Grains. So grains, we have rice. Rice is good for hair growth. Like, it's the bomb. It has instocols, whatever. I'm not a science student. I don't get the heck of this.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Maize or corn is so good for hair growth. It has different benefits for hair growth. So eat corn, eat maize, roasted, fried, boiled, baked, whatever. Oh my god, I love oats. I eat a lot of oatmeal, and there are different recipes for oats. You can try oatmeal cakes, you can eat oatmeal itself, there are different ways to make them. So you can make oats. and it's very good for hair growth. So next is protein. Okay, we have fish. Fishes I hate, and there are some fishes I like. So whatever works for you, eat good fishes, because fishes contain protein and a kind of fat, I guess, that is good for hair growth. And if you don't get fish, get drugs or take things that have omega-3 oils. These ester oils in fishes are very good for hair growth. Like, yeah, the bomb for hair growth. Try it. Tilapia, mackerel, whatever. So catfish, milk is very good for hair growth. Take products, take foods that have milk inside, like cakes, healthy cakes. Don't eat so much of cakes. I love cakes. Yeah. Healthy cakes, eat healthy cakes like that have milk. Drink milk, whatever. Fish, okay, I already said fish. Yogurt whatever the pronunciation. Yogurt, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. So drink yogurt, eat recipes that have yogurt, whether it's plain yogurt, especially plain yogurt is more healthy and has more benefits than other flavored yogurt. So take yogurt. So the next thing is nuts. Oh my, eat nuts. I'm not a fan of nuts, but I'm addicted when I get to nuts. Like, I love granuts. I can eat granite a lot. So take nuts. Now the first nut is walnuts, hazelnuts, groundnuts, palm kernel nuts, and peanuts. So get nuts that you like. Eat products that have nuts, like Snickers. I hate Snickers because it has peanuts. I don't like products with nuts, but whatever. Take nuts. Take products that have nuts. So the next thing is berries. 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 Take berries. Different kind of berries, like cranberries, blueberries, strawberries, whatever berries. But these three main berries I mentioned are very good for hair growth, because they have vitamins, and they have vitamins. See, I'm not good at the science stuff. So the next thing is your veggies. Your veggies. Okay, eat veggies. Take a lot of vegetables. Like, vegetables and fruits are the best for hair growth. If you want your hair to grow faster, eat a lot of veggies and what? And fruits. So take greens. Take a lot of greens, like lettuce, like spinach, like spinach, whatever. Spinach, like cabbage, like carrots. Take a lot of fruits. I say fruits and vegetables. So like carrots are the bomb with hair growth. Okay, so the next thing is other foodstuffs. I don't know how to classify them, but if you can help me classify them your way. Yeah, turmeric is a very good foodstuff. If you're adding any food you're eating, is very, very good for hair growth. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, whatever potatoes, they are good for hair growth. They have good nutrients and benefits for hair. Dates, everywhere worldwide they call it dates, but in Nigeria we call it debino. So if you could get to a Fulani man or an Hausa man, ask him for debino, and he will give you what is dates anywhere around the world. So honey is good. Replace your sugar with honey. Like in my house, we take a lot of honey than sugar. Like I said, my house is healthy. So okra, whatever you call it, onions. Take onions. Like, eat foods that have onion in them. Like, eat a lot of onions. They are good for your eyes, your age, and your hair. Oils. I'm not going to go so deep in oils. If I go so deep in oils, man, this video is not going to end. Take olive oil, take sunflower oil, take coconut oil, take almond oil, take argan oil, take see, I'm already out. Take oh jeez, there are so many oils that are good for hair. I said sunflower. Take mango oil, whatever oil, all these oils that are naturally good, and take them. Then my uttermost product, water. Drink a lot of water, guy. Drink a lot. Drink like my mom. Drink a gallon. Drink a whole dispenser. Drink. I mean, your spring never run dry. Guys, for watching. So those are my basic products you need. Food products, food stuffs, whatever you need to eat to grow your hair. So try them and give me back your feedback results. So, and you might not like all of them because I don't like all of them. So if you try at least more than half of all I just mentioned, like we try 23 out of 33, you will get like the best hair ever. Guys, comment what is your best food, like your best food. My best food is FRSA, fried rice, chicken and salad, like salad. And basically now I love a lot of carrots and onions, and I eat healthy now. My parents are eating healthy, so I have to eat healthy. So comment your best food in the comment section below. I need to know. I loved pounded yam, but now I'm not a fan. And if you are from any other country, comment them. I need to try new foods. So thank you for watching this video. What's the next video? Welcome back to my channel. So I got a lot of questions this past few weeks. How do I grow my hair from like bow to thick? And I've been in your shoes, guys. I've been there. My hair's just years, like you guys already know.